pistol without any sort of assistance. So Maria's going to go ahead and demo for us what a pistol looks like. You are allowed to hold your foot or your calf either way. But she's going to go down, break parallel, and come back up, not let that heel touch the ground. She's going to show that on the other leg, and come on up. That's what you're going to do this week. Just try and get your pistol if you get them. Try and get a set of 5 on each leg, and then go up from there. Have a great week.